Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day school gift ideas. I love to go all out for Valentine's Day and really just do my best to make the kids smile and just ooh and all over their gift, because for me, I love Valentine's Day. Like Valentine's Day and Halloween and Christmas, I love decorating for, I love going all out for. And so I always try to always go all out for Valentine's Day. It's just always so cute. And I love like all the little red hearts. Love all the decorations, the candy, the flowers, all of it. You name it. I just love it all. And so I thought, what better way than to bring y'all a video of 3 simple and inexpensive gift ideas for your kids to take to school as gifts. I just wanted to share because, you know, I've made these the past 3 years and wasn't making YouTube at the time, but now I am. But I have photos here to show y'all what I did those years, so we're just gonna jump right on in. So number 1, first year, 2018, 18, 19, yeah. So back in 2018, I made these adorable little mailboxes, and I will put it on the screen here and just keep showing all the clips of them. I used my Silhouette Cameo machine to cut out their names to put on the mailboxes, and I added a few hearts. For the boys, I put dinosaurs and made it a little more boyish instead of hearts, although I think I did add 1 heart. And then I also made one for his teacher, and so I'll show you what hers looked like here. They were just a major hit. All of the kids loved them. If you do not have a Silhouette machine or a Cricut, super easy way to substitute stickers is to just go to Walmart in the craft section and buy the lettered stickers, and you can easily put their name on it with that. You don't really have to personalize it at all with their name. You could always just go buy stickers of little animals, dinosaurs. You can always find sticker hearts. Any type of stickers will work. Since I'm a crafty person and have a Silhouette machine, I obviously just use that, but there's ways around it and you can make it work for sure. And we're gonna go ahead and already get into number 2. My second idea was kind of like a piggyback ride off of the mailboxes, but I didn't want to do the mailboxes again because James still had a few of the same kids in his class, so I wanted to change it up so they don't get a second mailbox. So when I was at Hobby Lobby, I found these adorable red tin buckets with the white hearts on them. And then I just bought some clear bags off of Amazon and loaded it up with candy and got ribbon. I put their name on it again to personalize it for them. And this again was such a major hit. All the kids love it. They're always excited when they get like little gifts. So I always want to make sure that I just give a little extra. Not everybody does this, and that is okay. I'm not saying you have to. You never have to go all out. If you know me, you always know that I love going the extra mile, and I do not go all out for everything, so simple is always good too. I'm a very simple person, but when it comes to Valentine's Day, I have to give a little bit more. So yeah, these were really cute. I did make one for the teacher, and she loved it too. I don't want to forget the teacher because they do have my kid all day. It's super easy. I think though the tin buckets were a little bit more expensive because they were from Hobby Lobby. I think they were maybe $1.40, but like I said, because I like to go all out, I was fine paying that for the small class that he had. Okay, so anyways, so number 3, third year doing this, and my idea for this year I got off of Pinterest. But honestly, I've been wanting to do this for so long now. And being that James has 18 kids in his class, you know, that's a lot more mailboxes or tin buckets to make. Honestly though, we're actually doing 30 of these. I do include mostly his girl cousins. I always like to give my nieces and nephews a little thing from James. So this year I went a lot more simple and plain, but I made it more personalized. And so we did the idea where I took photos of James and had him hold out his hands in certain ways. and then we cut where his hands would be, like he is holding a sucker. It is so cute. This is one that I made. We did 4 different poses. I just love how this turned out, and it looks like, you know, he's giving them a sucker. This is so inexpensive. I just went and printed these out at Walmart. I got 30 for only $8. And then I just went and bought a big bag of candy, and I photoshopped, you know, all this font in, emailed it to myself, saved it to my phone, went and printed it out. It is so easy. I had James just stand like this with his hand out, and then I will insert a clip here of cutting these, but you just cut. It'll show it where I kind of cut. You just cut right here at the bottom and right here at the top, and then when you put the sucker in, it literally looks like he is hugging it. This is so cute. I've always wanted to do this. I just loved how this turned out. So glad I went this way, because I think all of the kids in his class are going to love this. I think they're gonna get a kick out of it, and it's gonna look like James is holding a sucker. And then we did another one where he was sitting on the floor, and it looks like, you know, he's handing up the sucker to you. I thought this idea was so cute, and his teacher will get one. I also took a photo of James and Haley to give to Nana and Meemaw, and this is what theirs look like. I tried to take her little food pouch away, but it did not happen. So this was the final result on theirs together, with her food pouch in her mouth, but it is still adorable. I loved how it turned out. Okay, so anyways, I don't want to keep dragging this video out, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here, even though I cut out the rambling, so you didn't hear the rambling, but I was rambling. Like I'm still rambling. I hope that these inspired you, and if you do end up making any of these, please let me know down in the comments. Come back and tell me. Leave me a link to your Instagram, a YouTube, Pinterest, or anywhere that you posted. I would love to see, because this was just so fun and cute, and especially if you make this one. If you go and make this one, I must see. This is so cute. Thank you all so much for watching. Really hope that y'all all enjoyed this video. If I can get to it and make it in time, I do have one more Valentine's Day video coming for y'all, and that is going to be my Valentine's Day photo shoot of my kids. I made one last year, and if y'all would like to go watch it, it'll be right up here so y'all can see that. I loved how that one turned out, and it's up there. It's up there of one of my favorite videos that I've made. Be sure to go check that one out if you would like. Enough rambling. I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.